Today, first we'll see about how a normal program will be executed. Then after that, we'll just move on to how a Java program is differs, and then that has been executed. Okay, in the olden days, actually, when the programs have been invented, okay, C++, before that actually basic, Fortran, those things came over there. Na? So how a normal execution was happen. Okay, so first we will be writing our programs. Okay, the program which we are writing is also called as a statements. Okay, each and every line will be calling it as a statements. Okay, that is also called as a high level language. Okay, so those high level languages can be read by the human being. Okay, that will be given to the translator, because the information what can be understood by a human being cannot be understood by a system. So we need to convert to a type which a system can understand. System can understand zeros and ones only. Okay, so we will be giving it to a translator. Translator is of two types. One is compiler type, another one is interpreter type. What the translator will do means it will convert the high level language to a machine level language, that is zeros and ones. Then it will be given to the CPU. That's what. Okay, the zeros and ones we will be calling it as a bytecode also. Okay, so that will be given, then it will be converted, it will be given to the CPU for execution. So I told translators of two types, compiler and interpreter. What is the difference between both means? It's very simple. That is, translator converts the entire statements from the high level language to a machine level language. That's what it will do. That is totally 1000 lines of code are there in this program. Means all the lines, what it will do means it will compile. That is what it will do. It will check for the syntactical errors and all information. And finally, only what will happen? It will start to execute it. That's what a compiler will do. What an interpreter will do means actually 1000 lines of code is there, means each and every line it will translate. Okay, then it executes. Then only what will happen? It will go to the next line for for translation. Interpreter, that's what it will do. That's the difference between compiler and interpreter. Next, a Java program. How a Java program is executed means it's simple. Okay, the Java programs are written in a Java file. Okay, each and every file has its own type. The Java programs has its type, that is actually it will be saved in .java file. Okay, it will be saved in the .java. Okay, so that will be called as a Java statement which will be written. Then we will be giving it to a compiler. Okay, which will be, that is actually called as a Java compiler. The Java, if you see, it has a compiler and also it has an interpreter. Okay, nowadays most of the programs comes with both compiler and interpreter. Okay, so Java compiler, what it will do, it will check for all the syntax errors. Okay, totally 1000 lines are there, everything will be converted. Okay, so all the lines it will be checking it over any error is present or not. Then after that only it will be given to the byte. Okay, what will happen is everything it checks for syntax error. Okay, the compiler convert it to a byte code. Okay, then after that that will be saved under a .class file. Always Java will happen, it will convert and then it will be saved as a .class file. Then that .class file will be given to a JVM, which is called as Java virtual machine. Okay, it will convert, it will be given to a Java virtual machine. What that will do means it will convert the bytecode into a machine level language. That's what we'll do, because what the Java will do means actually for security reasons. Okay, so this is actually the bytecode. This is for a security reason they have made it over there. That is usually why they will be making it like this means it's simpler. For example, I'm going to create an application. Okay, when I create an application, what it will happen means actually I'm doing it for a client. Okay, when the client wants to check it over whether the application is working fine or not, that time I don't want him to send my code. Why if I don't want him to send the code means, because if I send the code to him, duplicating the same application will be easier. Okay, that's a problem of sending my code. Instead of that one, what we will do means actually we will send only the class file alone. Okay, where they cannot see my code. What this will do means the class file you cannot read by yourself. It can be read only by the JVM alone. No one can see your code over here. That's what advantage of going with Java. Most of them prefer Java for this reason also. They send the class file. Okay, only they can execute the programs. They cannot read the programs. So what this class files, when it is compiled and then when it is ready, that will be given to the JVM. JVM acts as an interpreter level. What will happen? Line by line execution will happen over here. That's what JVM will do. So what will happen? That converts the bytecode into a machine level language. Okay, this is a different type of bytecode. This is a different type of bytecode over here. So converts into a machine level language. Then it has been given to the CPU for execution. Okay, so that's the advantage of going with Java. Security is more little bit from our side. Okay, that is actually security means programming level security. I'm not speaking about. That is, no one can read your program. That level of security I'm saying. Okay. So this is how Java program is executed. Okay, why I'm saying you about this compiler, this class file, all those things, means you will be seeing these things when I'm starting the program. That's why I'm just giving you a brief introduction of this one. Okay. Now, JVM is needed for Java to run the class file. Okay, so JVM is what I already told, is a Java virtual machine, which is helpful for to read the class file. Okay, so you need JVM to run the Java. Without JVM, you cannot convert the bytecode into a machine level language. So it's compulsory JVM is needed for executing the programs in Java. To install the JVM, we need JRE. What is JRE means? Java Runtime Environment. Okay, so what is a runtime environment? Okay, each and every program will have its own runtime environment. That means where the programs can be executed. Okay, that means there should be a place for the programs to be executed at the backend level. Okay, that will be called as a runtime environment. Okay, so that is what JRE. Inside the JRE only you will have the JVM, because it's a runtime environment. Because the runtime environment mode where the programs will run. How the program will run? With help of the JVM only. Because the class files are being executed with help of the JVM only. Because this is the one which will be helpful for conversion. So that way JRE will have the JVM inside it. Okay, so this is what normally if you want to execute the Java program or something. But when you're going for advanced level of program execution, so we need the JDK. What is JDK? Means Java Development Kit. Okay, that is an entire set of the Java. That will consist of the Java compiler plus JVM plus JRE. Okay, the Java compiler, this one, JVM plus JRE. Okay, this actually is an advanced version of Java when you are going to execute. Okay, different kinds of API and you are going to use it, all those things. That time we use the help of the Java compiler plus JVM plus JRE, which will be there under the JDK. Okay, that's what here, the JDK. Okay, this is what the same thing what I told about the interpreter and compiler. Okay, the thing is, interpreter startup time is always faster, but there is any program in the middle of the program, once again you have to correct the program, then again you have to start the execution. Compiler level, initial startup will be a little bit less. Okay, that means it will not be very, it will not take much time, in the seconds. Okay, in a matter of seconds, it will be difference over there. So once the code is compiled, then the initial startup time to run the program is negligible. Okay, there the problem advantage is what means, okay, whenever you're compiling the program, you will find the syntax errors. Okay, during the execution you will not be finding syntax error. Functionality errors only you will be finding during the compiler level execution. Interpreter level, what does that means? Syntax error, and then also your what type of errors means actually functionality errors, everything you will be identifying only during the execution time. Okay, so from Java, what is advantage means? Syntax error, everything is been taken over there in the compiler itself. Then after that, what? JVM finds out the execution functionality level errors through the interpreter. Okay, so during the execution time, only functionality errors only we will be identifying. Compile time errors, nothing we will be identifying. So that's why Java is also little bit faster over there. Okay, this is what about the execution of Java. Okay, which is nothing. Why I'm saying about means, going on further, you will be understanding about little bit information on this one. So that's why this way a little bit I gave an information. Okay, these things will not be asked in the interview. This is for our understanding purpose only. Next, we done with this execution process. Any doubts on this one? Anyone has doubts on this one? If anyone has any doubts on this one, you can just stop me over there. Okay, so next, we have seen about the execution process. Okay, now we'll see about the installation process. Okay, I'll also share this code to you guys. Sarath is there. Okay. Okay, now we are seeing about the execution process. Okay, so first we have to install the Java. Before installing Java, you have to check whether Java is installed in the system or not. So for that, open your command prompt. Okay, type cmd. So you'll be getting the command prompt. Click on it. Here you type Java space hyphen version. If you're getting the Java version, that means you have Java installed in your system. Okay, this is one. Another one, you have to check whether JDK is present in your system or not. So how to check whether JDK is present in your system? So just go to your C drive, go to your computer. Okay, there you will be having a C drive. Go here. Okay. So if it is 32-bit or 64-bit machine, okay, 32-bit means you will be having the program files alone. If it's 64-bit, you will have program files x86 and then program files both. This is for 32-bit information. Okay, x86 represent is a 32-bit over there. Program files represent it's a 64-bit. Okay, so I'll just click on it. You can see Java is there. Inside the Java folder, you can see JDK. Okay, that means you have the JDK. But this alone will not confirm that actually you have installed the JDK. Okay, you have downloaded the JDK package, but we are not sure whether you have the JDK installed in the system. So for that, go to your My Computer, right click, Properties, go to Advanced System Settings. You'll be getting a window open like this. In that, you can click on Advanced tab, then Environment Variables, then go to the System Variables here, then here search for path. Can you see here path is there? Okay, if you scroll down, you can get it over there. Okay, path is there. Just click on Edit. Okay, here you can see you are given your JDK information or not. So right now I just go further because I already given my JDK here. See here right now my JDK is present over here. Can you see? I have given the path of the JDK folder. Okay, till my bin folder. That means I already given my JDK information over there. So what you can do means actually you can press Control A, Control C. Okay, make sure you do not delete any information because all the system level actually informations will be present over there for execution of some programs and then some your applications. Okay, open your notepad. Okay, here also you can check it over there. Okay, see program mine is present over here. Mine is present over here, the JDK information over there. Okay, so this is what I have given in the two levels. Actually, one is for the program files, another one is program files x86. Two levels actually it has been given. That's the thing. Okay, from your side you can give it in one place over there. Okay, it's simple. Okay, this is what you can confirm whether JDK is present. Okay, in case if you're not having this information, okay, when you're giving your command prompt, I'll press Windows button and then R, I'll be getting the run button. Okay, when you press Windows and R, you'll be getting this information. Type CMD and click on OK. When you're giving your information, okay, Java space hyphen version, when you're getting a command as, okay, Java is not a recognized command. Okay, in case Java is not recognized, if you're getting information, means that means you don't have Java. You have to install Java. So for that, you just click on Java download, browse for Java download. You can see download free Java software. Click on it. Plus click on free Java download and then after that install Java, then click on next, your Java will be downloaded. How I have already given with screenshots for you guys. See here, free Java download, agree and start free download, and then click on next, and then click on run. It will be finished. That's what you can install your Java. So if you want to install your JDK, just browse here, download and install JDK. So which version you want? Actually, you don't want to put the version, you can download the latest version. Download, install JDK. Okay, you can see here actually what Java SE downloads here. First one. It's opening, just a second. Okay, you will come to this page, you will be landed here. You can see here JDK. Okay, right now the latest version is 8. Okay, 8 is the latest version right now. Java, click on it. When you click on it, you can see a Java SE development kit, and then Java SE development kit over there, and then here. Okay, this is demos and sample. We don't want the demos and sample here. Okay, so here accept, click on the accept. Then after that you have to click on. Okay, right now ours is Windows x86 is 32-bit machine. Ours is 64-bit machine. How you confirm whether your machine is 64 or not? Right now most of them machine is 64-bit only. Okay, when you go to the my computer, right click, when you click on properties, okay, you'll be getting a window open like this. Okay, here you can see whether which machine is 64-bit or 32-bit machine. Okay, it's a 64-bit machine over there right now. So 64 is what we have to click. Click on this one. Once you click on it, actually what you'll be getting a RAR file. Okay, so if you extract the RAR file, you'll be getting the JDK over here. Okay, that will be consist of both JDK and then GRE. If you extract that RAR folder, you'll be getting both JDK and then GRE over there. Okay, so that is actually you click on it, then after that you will be getting a .exe file. Okay, you have to double click on the .exe file, and then if you click on next, you will be getting the JDK installed. JDK and then GRE both will be installed over there. Okay, so that is what I given over there in screenshots. So click on this one, then click accept license agreement, click on the information over here. Then after that you have to click on the run button, the exe file, and then go further with the installation process. Okay, then it will be, you can install it. Then after that you have to set the path. Okay, you have to set the path of the JDK. For that you have to go to your the C drive, program files, Java. Okay, C drive, program files, Java. Go to the JDK folder, go to the bin folder, copy the bin folder here. Okay, copy here, location of the bin folder here. Okay, right click, copy. Then after that come to your my computer, right click, properties, advanced system settings, advanced tab, environment variables, go and search for the path, click on edit, then make sure you come to the last line of it. Okay, come to the last line, give a semicolon. Okay, then paste the path. Okay, then click on OK. Okay, you have to give a semicolon finally, and then after that you have to paste the path, click on OK. I have already given out over there, so I'm not clicking on OK, I'm clicking cancel. Okay, then after that click on OK and OK. Okay, that's what you have to do to set the path. So that's what I have given over there with screenshot. See here, copy the bin folder location over there. Okay, this is my bin folder location. Check for yours is perfectly same or not. Okay, then right click. Okay, you have to go to the properties. Actually, I have told given everything in advanced tab, environment variables, go to the system variables, path section. Then after that, go to edit the information over here. Okay, then after that you can see Java space hyphen version. Okay, you can get your Java version. The same thing what we are doing over here. Java space hyphen version gives a version over there. Okay, this is to install your JDK. So we have installed the JDK right now, and then the Java also. Now the next part is what means. So to write the Java programs, we can write it in the notepad or you can write it in a tool. Okay, the best part right now everyone uses the tool only. So for that, you have to download the Eclipse. So how to download and install the Eclipse over there, we are saying now. I'm sharing you this one also.
Can you remove this for me because I'm using a Mac?
Which one, Nitesh?
No, I'm Sharat.
Oh, Sharat.
So yeah, basically I'm using a Mac, and all this is for Windows, no? So can you do you have a Mac version of it? How to install all these?
Mac version I don't have.
Okay.
Mac version right now I don't have over there.
Okay.
That is actually, if you browse over there, you can get it over there. That is actually how to install.
Like I tried installing it, but I was not able to do it.
That JDK and then Eclipse, huh?
Yeah, Eclipse I'm not able to do.
Okay. I'll just actually, you don't want to install that one. Okay, it's just a package over there. It's that one I can tell you over there right now.
Yeah, the jar files and all also I was not able to get.
Jar files, there not be any difference over there. How to get the your Eclipse download? Simple. Just go to Eclipse, give download. Okay, Eclipse download. Okay, when you come over here, you will be seeing the Eclipse downloads here.
Okay.
You have to select which version, that is actually Windows or Mac or Ubuntu. You have to select. Okay, here I'll be selecting which one is mine. Okay, yours is Mac. You select your Mac. So that will be refreshed here. Okay, so based for Mac, you'll be getting the information, and then which is yours, 64-bit bit over there. Okay, then once you click on it, okay, you'll be getting, just you click on it here. Okay, you have to click on Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Okay, I'll show you. Eclipse IDE for Java WE developers. Can you see this? Favicon over here, that logo over here, na? That's what I've given over here. Can you see this icon? Okay, for that icon, you have to click on it. Then click on which version you want, 64-bit. Then you can see the download here. Okay, once you download this one, you'll be getting a RAR file like this. I'll show you that one. You'll be getting a RAR file. You all would have seen some RAR files over there. I'll show you. You'll be getting a RAR file like this. Okay, if you extract the RAR file, okay, you will be getting one folder called Eclipse. Okay, if you go inside the Eclipse folder, okay, if you go to the Eclipse folder over here, okay, you can see an icon called Eclipse. Okay, which will be an application. Okay, this is what our Eclipse software. Okay, there is no installation process for the Eclipse over here. Just you have to download and then you have to get it over there. Okay, extract the folder, then you will be getting the application. Just double click on the application. The same process will apply for the Mac also. No need of any installation. So if I open this one, okay, I'll be getting a workspace launcher like this. Okay, this is what my workspace launcher. Okay, usually that will be pointing it to the workspace will be pointing to the C drive. Okay, make sure you change it to a different place over there. For Mac, your own informations will come over there. Okay, so right now I'll just go to here, browse, then you set your own place where you want to save it. So right now I'll just give it over there. Okay, so right now this is my D drive. Under my D drive right now, I'll go to the Murli laptop. Then after that, in the G drive, I'll save it right now. Okay, so for that, click on OK. So in the G drive, I'm trying to save. Then I'll click on OK. Browse and set where is the path you want and click on OK.
Is it this one for me?
Sarah? Which Sarah?
This one?
This will apply both for same your Windows and then.
No, can you see my screen one?
Can you share the screen?
Like, I mean, in your Zoom, you can see my screen, right?
No, if you share only, I can see your screen. No? You have
I
to share
mean,
the screen, then I can take your control. If you want to take, I can take the control of your system. First, you have
no,
to
I
share.
mean, no, I mean, in your camera, you can see, like, I'm using a different laptop right now. So in
Okay.
your camera, I think you can see me.
No, that option I have not seen. Just again.
Like, we can see each other here. Like, I can see other people here.
Okay, okay. Sorry. Your camera. I'm seeing your. You're
No,
showing
this one.
anything? Uh,
Eclipse.
okay. Just a second. Just a second. Okay. Got it. What is this one?
This is Eclipse, right?
Correct. This is Eclipse.
Okay.
This is the same thing.
Okay, cool. Okay.
Okay. Na?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we got the tool over here. Okay, this is just a welcome screen which we don't need right now. You can close this one. Then after that, okay. So right now, how the Eclipse your your information will come. So right now I created the Eclipse folder over there. Na? So now I'll go to the place path. That is actually I have given G drive. Okay, where I have given over there. That is my computer in my D drive under my Murli laptop under the G drive. I have created my information. So this is where I have created my so for that I'll be getting these two folders, remote system. Okay, instead of that one, I'll give it in a new place over there. So you might be understanding what other informations will come. So I'm going to create new link because I just want to show you what are the files that will be there under that one. That's why I will be creating a new one under the G drive. Under the G drive, I'll create a new folder over here. New Eclipse. I'll create it. Okay, under the new Eclipse, I'm creating the information. Okay, I created new folder. Murli laptop, G drive, new Eclipse is what I newly created. It's empty right now. When I click on OK, can you see dot metadata one folder and then remote system libraries. That one more information will come. Temporary information. Okay, system temp files. These are the two folders that will come. Okay, this will be linked up to the your that is actually your own information. Where means your Java runtime environment I told you, there will be indicating over there these things. Now I created the information. Now what I'm going to do means I'll create a package, project package, all those things. Okay, so first step, what you need to do. So I'll open a paint. So how my information will come. So first I need to create one project. So first I need to create one project. Then inside the project, I need to create one package. Package one I'll just give. Then inside the packages, I'll be having my class files. These are all my class files. Class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. These are the information. Okay, so this is how it will be created. The same thing is what I'm going to do. So same thing, I can also have the different package, one more package also. Okay, inside a project, I can have n number of packages and then n number of classes I can have. Okay, this is how it will be there. So now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to create a project and then I'm going to create a package. We'll see how to do. Go to File, New. Then you can see here n number of project information. Here you have to select only project alone. Select project. Okay, so now I'm going to create a Java project. Okay, right now we have downloaded the advanced version of Eclipse over there. Okay, Eclipse IDE for EE developers. Okay, development version we have taken, but right now we don't want the development version. Okay, we want the simple version only. Okay, so for that I'm making the simple version project. Can you see here? Right now we are getting it Java EE developers in this place. Okay, this is our information Eclipse now. So Java EE is coming. That is Java EE is for the EE. That is actually Java is totally separated into two parts. One is core Java, another one is J2EE. J2EE is the advanced version. Okay, right now we want the normal version over there. So for that, File, New, Project. Then after that I'll select Java project. Then click on Next. Okay, so now if you come over there, the project name I need to give. The project name right now I'll just give it as, for example, I'll give name also as project itself. For understanding, it can be given any name. Project X. I'm giving it as Project X. Then the JRE environment, I'll be giving it as, can you see? Java SE. Okay, right now it will be in CDC Foundation. Right now that is the advanced version of Java, which we will not be using. We want Java SE 1.7. Okay, click on it. You might be having Java SE 1.7 or 1.8. Click on which one. Right now I'm having 1.7. I'll click on it. If you have 1.8, go for 1.8. Then next. Click on Finish. That's it. Okay, click on Finish. Give the project name, select the environment, click on Finish over here. We got it, then click on Yes. Okay, can you see now the project has been created. Project X is created. Okay, I'll make it a little bit bigger also, this one. So we got, okay, this place is called as a package explorer. Okay, what is the package explorer? Here is the place where we will have my project packages, classes, all those things will be shown here in the view. Okay, so these things are right now not needed for me. I'll close it. Then if you see over one more thing, can you see before only Java EE was showing, right now Java is came. Okay, so when you give Java SE, the runtime environment, when you make it as 1.7, at the time you will be getting Java here. That's what we got it over here. So now if I created one project over there, the same thing, I'll just go to the place. This is the place where you give, can you see the same folder project X has been created. Inside the project X, if I go, can you see there will be settings folder, a bin and source, class path, and then project file. Okay, these 5 informations will be present here. The most important right now for us is the source folder and then the bin folder. These 2 are important for us. Okay, so if this is the original folder location. Okay, this is the original folder location over here. So next, if I come to my Eclipse, can you see in the package explorer, if I expand it, we'll be having a source folder and then a JRE system library. Okay, Java in runtime environment library. That is, if I want to execute my Java programs, we need some set of already inbuilt files, okay, which they have written, some methods and then classes which they have written already. That one we have to use it over here. So that inbuilt files are these jar files. Okay, in that if you see, if I open the folders, it will have its own class files, and then after that in this it will have some methods. I'll show you later. So now we have got the project. Okay, now what I will do, I'll just show you the information, how the original folder location has been used and then how the Eclipse is being used over there. Okay. So next, I'm using it over here. So I created one folder. This is one more place. Two things I'm doing. This is original folder location. This is Eclipse folder location. Okay, the original folder location is where we are seeing over here. This is the place. Okay, so right now what it has a project called Project X. Okay, for only one project right now I'm not going to do it. Okay, this is Project X. Okay, then after that, inside the Project X, so what are the things are there? If I go inside it, can you see we have one bin folder and then one source folder. Okay, one bin and then one source folder. So we have one inside the things, we have one source folder. I'll make it in a different color so it will be easy for you to. One source folder and then one bin folder. And then one bin folder. These are the things we have. So now if I go inside the source folder, right now we don't have anything. Same thing if I come over there to the bin folder, I don't have anything. Okay, the same thing right now, I'll go to the Eclipse place. Can you see in the Eclipse folder level, we have the project, then we have the source folder, but we don't have bin folder here. We have the JDK system library. Right now, the source folder information alone, I'll take it. Okay, so Project X. The only thing what we don't have right now here means is the bin folder information alone we don't have right now. We have it over here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one package. Okay, so always what will happen, it will have a project, then it will have a package, then it will have a class. So creating a package, right click on the source folder, new, then click on package. So for the package, I'll just give a package name right now. So package name, I'll just give it as new Eclipse. Sorry. Okay, that is new Eclipse Learning. I gave new Eclipse Learning is the package name. Okay, so can you see it gives me a warning over there, discourage package name. By convention, package name usually starts with a lowercase. Okay, it's just a warning. If you want, you can go further, that's not a problem. But usually the best way of giving the package name, the standard way, is always giving it in a small letter. The starting first letter should be small letter over there. So I gave new Eclipse Learning, which is small over there at the beginning. Then I click on finish. Now created the package. Can you see new Eclipse Learning? So now here I created one package here. The package name is what right now for me? The package name is new Eclipse Learning. That's the thing. I'll get the name of it. New Eclipse Learning. So if you want to rename the package, if you want to get the information, press F2, click here in the package and then press F2, you will be getting that Then I'll give it over here. New Eclipse Learning. The same thing. If I go to the original folder location, can you see in the source folder, new Eclipse Learning will be there. Inside it, we don't have anything. Same thing if I come to the bin folder, there also we have the new Eclipse Learning. The same thing. What are the information that we're doing in the source folder? A copy will be there under the bin folder. So we got it. Same information will be here in the source folder and in the bin folder. Both the places we have. Okay, then next. I created the package. Now I'm going to create a class. New class. Okay, I'm going to click on it. Then understanding Eclipse class. I'm just giving a name like understanding Eclipse class. Okay, so here Java class. Okay, here if I make the first letter a small letter, type name is discouraged. Okay, the type name is discouraged over here. Okay, the type name is discouraged. That is, always class name should start with the capital letter, but it's just a warning. If you want, you can go further. That's not a problem. Okay, then I'll select this default right now. Okay, I'll just tell you the meaning of what is this public, default, abstract, and all those things later on. Right now I'm selecting as default. Then you can see this public static void main, that checkbox I'm selecting it. Okay, this inherited abstract methods that will be there. Okay, public static void main checkbox I'm selecting. Then I'll click on finish. See, now I got a Java file. Okay, when I create a Java class file over there, here I'll be getting a .java file. Okay, right now the font is smaller. If I want to increase the font, I'll go to Window, Preferences, then here I'll type Font, Colors and Fonts. Then in the basic folder, go down, Text Font, Edit. Then I'll make it to 12 and bold. I'll just make a little bit. I don't want bold. I'll make like regular. Then I'll make it as 14. Okay. I made it. Okay. So now we got the information. Okay. What I did right now, can you see it's giving star over there? When you do any actions, anything over here, can you see if we give star means that is it's not been saved. So I'll save this. Now it has been gone. Okay. So this is the class file. Can you see? The class name what I gave, understanding Eclipse. Then I gave the public void main checkboxes then. So that one I selected it over there. So I got this block over here. The package name is what? New Eclipse Learning. That one I got it over here. Okay. Then I got this Java file. Okay. I already told from my side, always the Java will be saved under, Java program will be saved under .java file. Okay. That is what we are seeing here. .java file. Okay, we got it. Okay, then I'll just copy this one. The class file name is understanding Eclipse class. Now I'll go to my paint. Okay, here I'll just give information. This is my class name. Okay, the name of it is what? Understanding Eclipse class. Understanding Eclipse class is my class name. Okay, so then I'll go here in the original folder location. Okay, this one we have it over there in the this information. Okay, I'll just this make Java file. Okay, understanding Eclipse.java. Okay, .java file over there. Now I'm going to the original folder location. If we go to the original folder location, In the projects of the source folder, I have new Eclipse learning. Okay, inside that one, can you see understanding Eclipse class? Okay, which is a type Java file. Now I right click, and then if I edit it, can you see the same information what is present over here? That will be here. See, for example, if I'm going to type some information over there, so system.out.println world, hello world, I'm giving. I saved it. Okay, now if I come over here, I'll close this. Now here, if I right click and then if I edit it, can you see what are the informations I'm going to write it over there? That will be saved under this place only. Okay, this is a reflection what's happening at the folders level. Okay, this is a reflection, but the original informations are saved under this original folder file only. That's the only thing. Okay, in the source folder, I'll be having understanding Eclipse class. Okay, the same thing what I'm having over here, that is what we'll be having here. I'll copy it. Under the source folder, the same thing is what I'm going to have. Okay, okay, this is what a Java file. Okay, dot Java. It's a dot Java file. Then if I come to the bin folder, I'll come here. Under the bin folder, new Eclipse learning. Can you see here? I'll be having a type called class file, which is of understanding Eclipse class, same thing. Okay, the only thing is what actually it's a class file over there. That's the only change. It's a class file. If I right click and then if I try to open, there will not be any edit. If I try to open, Windows cannot open this file because the class file can be understandable by only the JVM alone. Class files can be understood by only by JVM. That's why no one can understand the information and then they can duplicate it. That's the main intention here. So we got it. So now I'll take this. I'll paste it over here. So this one alone right now is what? It's not a Java file. This is a dot class file. It's a dot class file. That's it. Okay, it's a dot class file over there. We got the information. Okay, next. This is what will be there. So this is how, and normally the folder structures will be maintained over there. This is Eclipse folder location. This is the original folder location, which will have the source folder and then the bin folder. Both will be present. Source folder will have the Java file. Bin folder will have the class file. Okay, that's the only thing. Clear? Any doubts on this one? Okay, now I'll do the same thing. Okay, for one more project. Now you will be understanding the same thing. What's happening over there? Okay, so I'll create new Java project directly. If you have, you can get it over there. Otherwise, go to File, New Project. Then you can see Java project. Otherwise, under the Java folder, you will have Java project. Select it. Next, give the project name. Okay, project name, project A. I'm giving. Okay, project A. Then select the environment 1.7. Click on Finish. We'll be getting the project A over here. Then after that, it will have source folder and JDK system library. Then when I right click on the source folder, you can see new package. Here give the package name. That is actually just understanding Eclipse package. Okay, so it's a discouraged name. Why? Because it's a capital letter at the beginning. I'll make it a small. Okay, if I want, I can also go with the capital letter also. It's not mandatory. Then I'll click on Finish. Package also has been created. Now if I right click, new class. Okay, I right click on the package. Then if I click on class, then I'll give the class name as A, B, C. I can also give A, B, C, anything. The same thing if I give it as small letters, that will give me a warning. So class name always should start with capital letter. Then I'll select public static void main. Then I'll select this default over here. I'll click on Finish. Here I got the abc.java file. Okay, that's what. So this one I don't want. I'll save it. Same thing, I go to the original folder location. under the new Eclipse. My new project is project A. This will have source folder and bin folder. Under the source folder, we have understanding Eclipse package, ABC, the Java file. Okay, same thing. If I come to the bin folder, understanding Eclipse package, ABC, a class file over there. Okay, the class file is for execution. Okay, in the source folder, the Java file is for writing the programs over there. That's the only thing. Okay. Any doubts still now? Anyone has? Anyone has any doubts? Okay, it's clear now. Okay, next we'll go. Now we have seen how to create a program. Okay, now we'll see how to run a program. Okay, the same information is what I mentioned over there. See, you can see it over here. Java project, give the project name, and then where the project will come, which will have source folder, JRE system library. Then how to create a package. Okay, how to give the package name. Then creating a class. How to give the class name over there. The source folder, package name, and then this class file name will be present here. Public static void main. Okay, then you will be getting the information over here. Okay, now we'll see the hello world program over there. Okay, that is, I want to print the hello world over here. That's one. Same information what I print, it's here. Now we'll see how to write a hello world program. Okay, so the important thing. Okay, all hello.
Hello, yeah, Murali. Will you send all these documents to us? I mean,
Yeah.
Okay.
These all documents right now. This already shared to your email ID.
Okay, sounds good. Okay,
Okay, this one is shared to your email ID, and then this program information. These two things package. That also I'll be sending in a mail to you.
Okay.
And then I'm recording this information. That recording also will be uploaded in YouTube for you. In another 1 hour, you can access the video also.
Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you.
Okay, yeah. So we got the main function. So we know how to create a class. Okay, then always the class, when we select the checkbox as public static void main, that time we'll have this checkbox. Sorry, this main function. Now I want to execute an hello world. I want to print hello world over there. So for that, so type SYSO. Okay. Okay. Always you have to write the program inside the main function only. Okay. This is a class. Okay. Inside the class we have a main function. Okay. Inside the main function only, if you want, you can write the program for execution. Okay. Always a class will have a main function. Without a main function, you cannot execute a program. Okay. So now I have the main function. Then I type SYSO. Then press Control space. This is a shortcut for getting system.out.println. Then here I'll type hello world, double quote, HELLO world. System.out.println hello world over there. Okay, we got the hello world program. Now, if I want to execute the program, what I can do means you can right click on the file and then run as Java application. Okay, there are two things: run on server, Java application is there. Okay, Java application is what we need to select because it's Java program. Can you see? Hello world, we will be getting it. Okay, you can also click on this run, but for the first time when you click on it, actually what you can see the drop down here, run as Java application. First time you give it over there, because sometimes actually what it will be taking it from the advanced level CC foundation. Okay, so first time alone select here in the drop down, run as Java application, you select. Then next time onwards when you run it, it will work properly. Okay, now I want to type something. SYSO, then control space, then I'll just give from here. This is a Java program. Okay, control S. Okay, everything after writing it over there, I need to press save the information. Right click, run as Java application. This is a Java program. Okay, then SYSO, control space, in double quotes I'll be giving today is the best day. Okay, then again I'll write today is the first class. I'm writing. Then I'll run it. So I'll click here and run as Java application. So it's printing hello world. This is a Java program. Today is the best day. Today is the first class. Is printing me. So right now everything is printing me. Next line like that is printing. Okay. So hello world Java program like that is giving. Okay. So now I'll just go to the next one. Can you just give me 2 minutes? Just like I'm getting a call. It's important. I just need to take just 2 minutes. Hello. Hey, sorry guys. Sorry for the delay. Okay, so I printed hello world. This is a Java program. So right now it's everything as println is there. Na? So right now what I'm going to do, this one, okay, I'll just copy it. Then I'll just type here syso. Then I'll just give you a double slashes. Okay, sorry, there. Then I'll print it over here, same information. Okay. Now instead of println, okay, right click, run as Java application. Right now it's printing me like this. So if you want to move your this console is right now is present over here. I want to move it to the right side means click here, drag, and then drop. Can you see the changes will be happening like this? Okay, just select like this. Okay, I need to get it like a box like this. So you'll be getting information here. See, it's printed like this. Hello world, this is a Java program. Then the dashes, then prints the same information. Now instead of println, what I'm going to do, I'll delete all the println is an ln alone. I'll delete it. Okay, I'm having only system.out.print alone. Then I right click, run as Java application. Can you see right now? When I remove the println, what's happening? Everything is printing on the same line. That's what. Okay, println means print the information and move the cursor to the next line. Print the information, move the cursor to the next line. Like that, each and everything will be moving it to the next line, and like that it will go. Okay. That's what will happen over here when I use println and then print. Clear? It's very simple. Okay, no confusions now. Okay, now we'll see the next one. So I'll show you a little bit about basic about the concatenation. So for that, I'll just right click, create a new one, new class concatenation. I'll just give. Then I'll select this. Okay, right now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to select this checkbox main function. I'll click on finish. This one I'll make it as default. I'll finish it. Okay, concatenation. See, right now I'm not getting the main function information, public static void main. If I want to get that one, for that also there is a shortcut. What is the shortcut? MAIN, then give control space. Then you will be getting this main method. Na? Then double click on this one, otherwise press enter button. You will be getting the main function. Can you see? This is a shortcut. So to shortcut to get this one means what? Okay, so I need to press MAIN, okay, plus, okay, MAIN I need to press enter, then control button plus space button, then enter button. Then you have to type enter button. These are the things. Right now it's showing error for me. The thing is actually these are all not the Java commands. No? That's why it's showing me error. So to remove that one, okay, I'm going to comment it. So for commenting in Java, you have to use double slash. Okay, double forward slash. That one is helpful for to comment the line. Okay, main, you have to type main, control plus space button, that will give you the main information. Then plus if you enter the enter button, click on the enter button, that will give you the public static void main. So SYSO, then press control space. Okay, so for that, to get the system.println, how I need to do? Double forward slash to comment it. Then you have to type over there. What is it you have to type over there? SYSO. Then if you press control plus space button, will give you the system.out.println. Then I'm going to type here hello world. Okay, I'm going to remove this ln. Then Sizzle, how are you? Then Sizzle, where are you? Is there? So I right click, run as Java application. Can you see? Okay, these things I'll make it as print only. Sorry, everything as print. I'll make it. Save it. Then run as, control S for save. Hello, how are you? Where are you? Is there? So right now I want to do a concatenation means. Okay, so right now I want to give spaces for each and every place. So I'll give like this. Can you see? Plus, then I'll just give space button over here. Okay, I'm going to give like this. So this is called as concatenation. Okay, so any information that I'm giving it over there with the double quotes to this double quotes, what will happen? That is called as a concatenation. This is called as concatenation. Okay, here also I'll just give plus space. Then here also I'll give plus space. Like that I'll give. Okay, so now what will happen? If I right click, run as Java application, that will give me hello world. Then can you see it's giving me one space over there, which is present over here. Then how are you? Space, that is over here. Okay, I'll just give some extra spaces. Otherwise, instead of spaces, I'll give like this. So you'll be having understanding. This is the thing. Right click, run as Java application. Hello world. Then what are the information? Dashes. How are you? Dashes. Where are you? And then dashes. Like that I'm giving over there. This concept is called as concatenation. Okay, any information that I'm going to give it over here with this one is called as a concatenation. Okay, you have any doubts on this one? Any doubts? Okay, so now I'll ask little bit information to you, so you might feel a little bit better over there. Okay, you guys help me on writing one program alone. Okay, so right now, Swarup, can you just tell me how I can create a project? Can you tell me I need to create a project? Hello, Swarup, you're there? I think you're in mute.
Yeah, now you will. Yeah.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah. So you need to go to File.
Okay. Files.
Okay. Then New.
New.
Java Project.
Perfect. Correct. I can also go with Java project. Otherwise, project.
Yeah. Then you have to click on that, and you will get it Java 1.7. Then project. Yeah. You have to give a project name.
Correct. So project name I'll just give sample project.
Yeah. So then Java 1.7 as you told.
Yes, correct. 1.7.
Yeah.
Then
So yeah. So next,
click on finish. Okay. Next, if you give, actually it will go to the other section, but I don't want to go with that. I'll just give finish.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Ramesh, sorry, Praveen or Ramesh, man? I'm getting confused. Sorry. Is Ramesh or Praveen? Hello. Praveen?
Yeah, Praveen is my first name and Ramesh is my last name.
Okay. Shall I call you by the Praveen?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Praveen, now we created the project. I want you to create me one package.
Yeah, we'll go to source.
Yes. Right click.
New.
And
package.
Correct.
Name of the package and
yes, I'll give it as sample package. So what is here when a warning message will come? When I will be getting a warning message?
If you give it in a upper key first
Correct.
letter.
Yes, at that time I'll be getting it. It's a warning only. If I want, I can keep it over there. It's not mandatory. That should be caps. Okay. Then I'll click on finish.
Yeah.
Okay, I got the package. Now right click new. Now actually, Ragul, can you tell me? I want to create a class. Hello, Ragul.
Yeah, just go to package.
Okay.
Yeah. Go to package and right click, then select class.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah, give any name.
Correct. So I'll give the information class as AB. Sorry, XYZ. I'll give. Why I'm getting a warning message over there?
Because first letter should be in capital.
Caps. That's the only thing. Okay. Can you see
Yeah.
here? One source folder is there. What is that source folder information gives means sample project. What is the sample project? That's my project name. Under that source folder, okay, we have a package called sample package. Okay. Under that one, I'm creating a class called XYZ. Clear?
Yeah. In modifier, you should select default.
Correct. Then
public static.
okay. Then public static void main function and then finish. Okay, we got it. So right now, Sarath, in case if I'm not having my main function, can you tell me how I can get it?
Type main control.
Yes, control.
Space. Enter.
That's it. Okay. So now if I want to print an hello world.
Yeah. SYSO.
SYSO.
Control space.
Yes.
Enter. Yeah, and quotes, whatever you want to type.
Correct. Any information I want to type that should be there under the double quotes. That's it. Okay. This is for the normal hello world program. Clear? Okay. This is what today we have just seen how to create a package and then how to create a project package and then a class file and then how to print the information. So if I want to comment it, what is the code for me to comment the code line?
Double slash.
Forward slash.
Okay, forward.
Okay, // will help me to print. Okay, what does that mean? See here right now. I'll just go to the old program ABC. Okay, right now see if I right click run as Java application. Okay, I'm getting all the information right now. Java program, these 2 lines. Okay, see here I'll select these 2 lines. Then if I press control space, what will happen? both the lines will be commented. Okay, select the lines and then press control space. Sorry, not control space, control forward slash. Okay, control forward slash. If you select it, what will happen? Both the lines will be commented or uncommented. Okay, now I commented it. Now if I run this, what will happen? These two lines will not be executed. Okay, hello world. Today is the first class. These two lines not executed, then remaining lines. Clear? This is how it will be executed. Okay, so any doubts on this one? Okay, I want today, what is that you have to do means, okay, today from your system, okay, what are the things you have to do means, first step, download and install Java and JDK. Then after that, download, okay, and then extract. Okay, there is no installation in Eclipse over there. Okay, download and extract Eclipse. Okay, then create a package, sorry, project package. Then after that, a class file. These two things. Then check the what happens at the original folder location and Eclipse parallelly when you're doing both. Then you're doing both that. That is actually when you're creating a project, check whether what's happening at the original folder location, package, what's happening at the package, class, everything separately. You have to check it in both the places. Then only you will come to know this flow. This flow, what's happening over there. That's the main thing. Okay, now. So then after that, find the difference between Println and print. Okay, system.out.println and print. Then after that, concatenation. Just see it. We will be seeing that in a very detailed manner over there. Okay, do these things. Okay, the information I copied over here. So fourth, fifth, and sixth, concatenation. Okay, these things you just do it today. Okay, so any doubts on today? Anyone has any doubts? Today is just very basics. Also, just go through this one. Don't need to remember anything on this. Just see it, watch it from over here, and then after that, when you're learning this, what is class file and all those things. Okay, also understand the difference between Java file and class file. Java file and class file. This also you need to identify. These are the main things. Clear? Any doubts you guys have? Okay. So tomorrow we'll connect it. Tomorrow we'll be seeing about the data types, global variables, and all those things. Okay. What is the variable and what is data types? Why we use different data types? And then we'll see about the global and local variable. Tomorrow we'll see. Clear?
Yeah. Can I share my screen once now?
Yes, sir. I'll stop my share. Can you share it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll stop my share.
Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. So for me, see now it says like this connect this Mylin, and then when I go to file, no, when I open Eclipse
Okay.
and then I go to file new, I'm not getting that Java thing.
Select project.
JPA project.
No. Come down. Project. Only project is there. Come down.
Okay. This one?
Yes.
Okay.
There
So
you
now
can
I
see.
have to
Yeah. Come again.
Java project or
Okay.
this one?
Yes. Both are same. You can directly select Java project. Otherwise, under the Java folder, Java project. Both are same.
Okay.
Okay. And then next.
Okay. Cool.
Okay.
And for me, 1.8.
Select it. Click on the drop down.
Okay.
Can you see 1.7, 1.8? Okay. The latest one is 1.8. So you guys are having 1.8.
Okay.
Okay. So you can select 1.8.
Okay.
Okay. I want you guys to create 2 projects, and then after that 3 packages. Then that is actually in a single project. Create 3 packages and then 2 to 3 class files over there.
Okay.
Okay. Like that, I want you to create. Okay. Then only you will understand the flow of the project package and then class. What's happening. Okay.
Yeah, and this on the right side, this is what do I do with
These
this?
things we will not be using it. These things are actually what related to the what is it for the advanced level of Java and all those things. We will not be using it.
Okay, cool.
Okay, na?
Yeah.
Okay. So you guys have any doubts? Okay, just do with the assignments. You will be a little bit clear on what you are doing also. Okay.
Okay. Yep.
Okay. Thanks, guys.
Cool. Thanks a lot, Murali.
Bye bye. See you. Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you, Only.
Thank you. Bye bye.